Good morning, students. We are studying about the last algebraic method to solve the linear equation as cross multiplication. There are three algebraic methods to solve the linear equation. First is substitution method. Second is elimination method. And third is cross multiplication method. How can we solve the linear equation by cross multiplication? Today we will read. But with the help of ratio of the coefficient of x and y, how can we know that given linear equation has unique solution, or no solution, or infinite many solutions? One time I am going to repeat it. If a1x, 1 minute. हाँ सर, आ जाए. अच्छा, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are two linear equations. And if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then equation system has unique solution. Second is when a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, no solution. And third is if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, infinite solution. These are three symbols from which we can explain, we can justify the given equation has unique solution or many one solution or no solution. So come on your exercise number 3.5. Question is, which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, and infinite many solution? In case there is unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Question is that first of all we have to justify given equation has what many types of the solution. So come and try to see it. Come and try to see it. First is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. First, 3x minus 9y, 3x minus 9y and minus 2 equal to 0. Second equation. Now, a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 equal to minus 3 upon minus 9, that is 1 by 3. And c1 upon c2 equal to minus 3 upon minus 2, that is 3 by 2. Since a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, therefore equation system has no solution. No solution. Next, question number second. Question number second is 2x plus y, 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8, 3x plus 2i minus 8 equal to 0. Now come on, a1 upon a2 equal to 2 by 3, b1 upon b2 equal to 1 by 2, c1 upon c2 equal to minus 5 by minus 8, that is 5 by 8. Student, you will see that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore, unique solution. Now, I am going to solve this linear equation by cross multiplication method. So, by cross multiplication, we adopt a relation between the coefficient of x and y, just like x upon coefficient of y and constant 1, 2, minus 5, minus 8. Y upon constant and coefficient of x equal to 1 upon 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, in system, arrow, and we can write that x upon minus 8 minus 2 5 are 10, y upon 3 5 are 15 minus 16, 1 upon 2 2 are 4 minus 3. This is a system of cross multiplication. Now calculate it. Minus 8 plus 10, y equal to minus 15 plus 16, and 1 by 1. Now x by 2 equal to y upon 1 is equal to 1. Now if x by 2 equal to 1 implies that x is equal to 2. If y upon 1 is equal to 1, now y is equal to 1. So your solution of set is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is total concept of cross multiplication to solve the linear equation of two variables. So you can do all questions about the question number first. In question number first, you have to justify first of all question linear equation has unique solution, minimum solution, or no solution. In only the case of unique solution, you have to apply this method to solve the linear equation. Otherwise, if equation system has no solution or infinite solution, you have not solved the equation. Okay. Now come on question number second. Question number second. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have infinite number of the solution? 2x plus 3y equal to 7. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. And a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. 3a plus b minus 2 is equation number second. This equation system has infinite solution, it is given. So it holds the condition a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Clear? Now come. 2 upon a minus b, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to 3 upon a plus b, and c1 upon c2 equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Since equation system has infinite solution, therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Now if 2 upon a minus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2, So by cross multiplication 6a plus 2b minus 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. By side change you will get minus a and plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0, or minus a plus 9b equal to 4, or a minus 9b equal to minus 4. Equation number 3rd. This equation in the variable of a and b, and our target is also to find the value of a and b. So, if 3 upon a plus b equal to this 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2, by cross multiply 7a plus 7b equal to 9a plus 3b minus 6, by cross multiply 7 to minus 2a and plus 4b equal to minus 6, and minus 2 divide, then a minus 2b equal to 3. Now second equation, a minus 2b equal to 3, fourth equation. This equation you are free to select any method, elimination method, substitution. Here is no condition that given equation should be solved by the cross multiplication. No, cross multiplication in this question is not conditional term. But if you want, then you should apply it. You could do it. And solve this equation by any method and try to find the value of a and b. Your question be completed. Similarly, question number second part of this question is also. Question number 3rd is solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication. Substitution and cross multiplication, both method be applied in question number 3rd. First, you should apply the substitution method. You have read all about the substitution method. After that, you have to apply the cross multiplication in the same question. And when you solve the question, you will get the same answer, same result from both the method. Method different, method may be different, but result will be same if your calculation is right. If you are going your calculation in the right way, then you will get the same result by any method. Student, I stop here. I will continue just after this, and I hope that you will try to complete your homework from question number 1, 2 and 3. I will continue from question number 4 of this exercise. No soon. Relax and try to solve all the questions by your chill mind, by your own thoughts. Any problem, you should be messaged, call me. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you.